Looking for the best car vacuum cleaner? We've got you covered. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best car vacuum cleaners, powerful, portable, and perfect for keeping your car spotless. Stay tuned to find the perfect one for you. Number 1. 160,000 pascals 5-in-1 wireless car vacuum cleaner. Tired of dust and mess in your car? What if I told you there's a vacuum that not only cleans but also inflates, lights up, and even blows water? Meet the 160,000 pascals 5-in-1 wireless car vacuum cleaner, your all-in-one cleaning solution. Weighing just 384 grams, this mini powerhouse is lightweight yet powerful. It's wireless and rechargeable, so no more messy cords. Plus, with ISO 9001 and CE certifications, quality is guaranteed. But here's the real magic, it's not just a vacuum. You can clean car interiors, windows, keyboards, camera lenses, and even use it as a vacuum pump. The 5 volts power ensures efficient performance while keeping it energy friendly. If you want a portable, multifunctional cleaner that does more than just vacuum, this is a must-have. Grab yours now and keep everything spotless. Number 2. 9,000 pascals cordless car vacuum cleaner. Keeping your car or desk dust-free can be a challenge, but what if you had a powerful, lightweight, and cordless vacuum to make it easy? Meet the 9,000 pascals cordless car vacuum cleaner, small but mighty. Weighing just 480 grams, this compact cleaner is super portable. With 9,000 pascals suction power, upgradable to 13,000 pascals, and a brushless motor spinning at 35,500 RPM, it effortlessly picks up dirt, crumbs, and pet hair. The wireless design means no tangled cords, and the 120 watts power ensures deep cleaning. Made from durable ABS material, it's CE certified, guaranteeing quality. Whether you're cleaning your car, home, desktop, or keyboard, this mini vacuum gets the job done. Need a powerful, portable, and hassle-free cleaning solution? This is it. Grab yours today and keep your space spotless. Number 3. SZUK 98000 PA Car Vacuum Cleaner. Looking for a powerful yet portable vacuum that works for both your car and home? Meet the SZUK 98000 PA Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner, a compact beast designed to handle dust, crumbs, and even blow-up balloons. Weighing just 0.6 kilograms, this handheld cleaner is lightweight but packs a punch with strong suction power. It's cordless, making it super convenient for cleaning cars, keyboards, and desktops. Plus, with its dual function, vacuuming and blowing, it's more than just a cleaner. Made from durable ABS material and Gs and CE certified, this vacuum is built to last. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or detailing your car, it's an efficient tool to have. Number 4. SZUK New Mini Car Vacuum Cleaner. Ever struggled with dust, crumbs, or pet hair in your car? Meet the SZUK New Mini Car Vacuum Cleaner, a wireless, handheld powerhouse with 985,000 pascal suction that makes cleaning effortless. This compact yet powerful vacuum runs on 11.1 volts with 100 watts power, giving you strong wet and dry suction. The HEPA filter traps even the finest dust, keeping your space truly clean. It comes with 6+ nozzles, perfect for cars, keyboards, and even home use. Plus, it's not just a vacuum, it also blows air, making it handy for cleaning tight spaces. And since it's cordless, you can clean anywhere without messy wires. Looking for a portable, high-power, and multifunctional vacuum? This one's a game changer. Grab yours today and keep your space spotless. Number 5. CENRR High Pressure Car Vacuum Cleaner. Tired of dust, crumbs, and pet hair in your car? Say hello to the CENRR High Pressure Car Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful, cordless, and portable solution to keep your car and home spotless. Weighing just 0.7 kilograms, this compact yet strong vacuum features a 3-gear mode, allowing you to adjust suction power as needed. Its wireless design makes cleaning hassle-free, whether it's your car, home, or even tricky spots like keyboards. Built with durable ABS material, it's RoHS, FCC, and CE certified, ensuring quality and safety. Plus, it's not just a vacuum, it's a high-pressure cleaner for deeper cleaning. Need a versatile, powerful, and portable vacuum cleaner? The CENRR is a game changer. Get yours today and enjoy effortless cleaning. Here are our top 5 picks, carefully selected based on our personal research, ratings, reviews, quality, and durability to ensure the best choices for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews, and thank you for watching.